In this video, I want to share with you exactly how to make your first $1 online. This video may be really a big motivation for beginners to work online. I hope to watch till the end because it will be full of useful information. Stay tuned. Hi everyone, how are you? I'm Hassan from Educate, and today I want to publish a small video showing you how exactly you can make your first dollar or couple of dollars online working from home. Maybe you are a student, maybe you are a total beginner and you want to just make a $1 online to give you the motivation to start working and building an online business. So in this video, I will show you two main methods to make money online. One is so simple and so fast, and the other one is building a real business. The full video will be less than 10 minutes, so please don't miss any second because I will share with you a lot of valuable information. Before we start, please don't forget, if you like to watch more videos like this about digital marketing, online business, making money online, and much more, please don't forget, subscribe now to my channel and turn on notifications to get every new update almost every day. So let's start together. I don't want to waste your time, so let's go directly to my PC and see how things work. The first method is to go to websites that allows you to earn money quickly by doing simple tasks. As an example, this is the first website called Peak Coworkers. Please open a notepad or something to take notes and save these websites so you can test them later on when you finish the video. The first website is called peakcoworkers.com. Just go and sign up, and you will see here in the Find Jobs section, you will see a lot of jobs and tasks you can do. So it's like a tiny small job you can do and you'll earn like 0.1, 0.08, 0.05 dollars and so on. Each job takes like maybe 2 minutes, 3 minutes or 4 minutes. It depends. Anyone can do it. As an example, if you go, let's see this one, it will take 0.05, click on it. It will tell you need to go like to Google and search for something and click on the link and open it. So it's like opening a website, and then after you finish, you need to submit the proof, like a screenshot that you did that. So it's so simple, I think, for beginners. The same way, we have a lot of other jobs like signing up here. You can see this one also is a search visit. You can go open Google and search for this term and open this website, then send him a screenshot of the website and so on. So it's a small tiny jobs, small tiny tasks that anyone can do with no skills and earn like 0.08, 0.04 and so on. By the way, you can go here to payment and filter the price, let's say more than 0.5 as an example. Okay, apply, and you'll see here like jobs that pays you $1 per task and so on. So you can go and do some jobs on these websites and make money online directly. This is the fastest way you can ever see to make money online. Other website is called Micro Workers. It is the same concept as Peak Coworkers. Just sign up and you'll find a lot of tasks like those where you can make money just by doing these simple tasks. The third website is called Neobox. Neobox and Family Clicks are websites that allows you to make money, also like 0.01 and 0.05 and so on, by clicking on links and clicking on ads and so on. By the way, all these methods I don't prefer, and if you are following my channel, I don't teach any of these methods. I think, it's my opinion anyway, that they are only waste of time. Even though you can make like $5 or $10 per day working for 5 hours, on Peak Coworkers as an example, I believe that 5 hours a day for 30 days can build for you a full online business with at least a couple of thousands of dollars per month. You can build a real business by consuming all this time. But anyway, it's up to you. I'm sharing this with you. Maybe someone wants like $10 or $20 to get a domain or whatever, so you can go and use these websites to earn a couple of dollars a week or something and use it in your own business or whatever. I don't know. So this is the first method, is using websites like Pico Workers, Micro Workers, Neobox, and Family Clicks to make a couple of dollars per week, working a couple of hours per day. As I told you, I don't prefer this. I consider it as a waste of time. But anyway, it's up to you. The second method is going with a real business. And this is where I really always advise you to go with. And this is what explained always here on my channel, on my blog, and in my course and everywhere, is to go and start building a real online business. Now, since this video is about making money and making the first dollar online as fast as possible, I think the best way to start with is affiliate marketing or freelancing. Because as you know, if you are following me, we have mainly 5 methods to make money online: freelancing, affiliate marketing, online stores, SaaS businesses, and content creation. All these requires some time and effort and hard work. But the easiest between them, I think, is affiliate marketing or freelancing. Now in freelancing also you have to do some work promoting your gigs and so on. Even though I explained everything here on my channel, you can refer to my channel here. Let's see, just to put you in the right path. If you go to my videos here, you will see I have the freelancing service here, where this is the freelancing service, freelancing course. Can go down and see how you can learn some skills and gigs to apply. You can see also this video on how to promote your gigs on Fiverr and so on. So this is about freelancing. And about affiliate marketing, which I think is easiest also because you don't need any products. You have the products. You can just promote and start making money online. It's the fastest way. I explained this in detail here in this video, the fastest way to make money online. And I showed step-by-step case studies like this one here, copy my affiliate marketing system, like this one here, like this one here, this video. All these are case studies I applied here on my channel in front of you live, and I showed you how I made multiple conversions using affiliate marketing starting from scratch. So again, to sum up, we have mainly 2 methods to make the first dollar online: is following websites or working on websites like Pico Workers, Micro Workers, Neobox, and Family Clicks, and similar websites. You can search for them on Google if you want, or simply you can build a business with affiliate marketing and freelancing by following my other videos in my channel where I explain step by step how to start. As an example, this video here, affiliate marketing from scratch, I showed you step by step how to reach $1,000 per month. Also, I showed you a full action plan in this video, how to build an online business in 97 days. Please go and watch these videos. Every day I get messages on my Instagram profile, on my email, people asking me, please Hassan, tell us how to make money online. Friends, please, I've published these videos already on my channel, how to start from scratch. Please go watch them and start applying, and you will see how to make money online easily in a couple of months, how to build an online business. So that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please don't forget to go to my website now, earnign1.online/giveaway. We still have 9 days left in the $20 giveaway for 10 winners. So you have a big chance to win in this giveaway. If you didn't join, please go earnign1.online/giveaway and join this giveaway. Thank you for following, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn notifications. And please, if you like the video, smash the like button to help me and support me publish more and more videos on my channel. See you later.